All right, geometry students, let's look at Unit 3, Lesson 1, Scale Drawings. Our goal for this lesson is I can dilate a figure given a scale factor and center. So essentially we're going to have a figure and a point that's going to be known as our center for dilation. And when we dilate, we are going to use that center and we're going to expand or contract based off of that scale factor of either say doubling or cutting something in half or tripling the size. All right, so our vocabulary for this lesson, we have two main vocabulary terms. We have dilation. A dilation with the center P and scale factor K takes point A along the ray PA to another point whose distance is K times farther away from P than A is. Okay, that's a lot. What's going on here is we have the point A. A is a distance from P. Say it's 1. We have a scale factor. Say that scale factor is a K of 3. So then along this line here, P to A prime, the new version of A, would have to be 3 times the distance. So if this is 1, P to A prime would have to be 3. 1 times 3 makes 3. All right, scale factor is a factor by which every length of an original figure is increased or decreased when you make a scaled factor. So here I have two triangles. This first triangle has lengths 1, 1, and 1.5. Then this other triangle, I've used a scale factor of 2. So each length has been multiplied by 2. So I went from 1 to 2, 1 to 2, and 1.5 to 3. So that's how dilation and scale factor works. All right, with scale factor, sometimes we can get images that are distorted. So we want to take a look at this. So Diego took a picture of a hippo and then edited it. Which image is the distorted image? How can you tell? Is there anything about the pictures you could measure to test whether there's been a distortion? So here's our original picture of a hippo. My drawings aren't the best. If you want to look it up in or on the online textbook, feel free to do that. So here's our original hippo. Here is the first picture created. Here is the second picture created. Which one do you think is a distorted image? How can you tell that it's distorted? And is there anything you could measure to kind of prove that it's distorted? All right, thanks. Bring your warm-up to class tomorrow, and then that'll start our discussion.